To remove and install the battery on your Razor Pro S or Pro XP, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat, level surface, ensure the vehicle is in park, and remove the key. Begin with removing the driver's seat by pulling up on the front seat lever and tilting the seat forward to remove. Continue by disconnecting the black negative battery cable first to prevent arcing and securely set away from the battery terminals. Reinstalling the fasteners into the battery posts will help prevent misplacement. Then, pull the red boot back from the positive cable and remove the red positive cable and set aside. Next, remove the two screws securing the battery hold-down strap and set the strap aside. Now, pull the battery toward the driver's side of the vehicle and tilt up to remove. If reinstalling the battery, ensure it is fully charged and free of any debris to prevent damage. Follow the instructions in the battery charging section of your owner's manual before installing the battery. Next, clean any dirt or debris from the battery box. Before installing, ensure the battery is fully charged. Then, place the battery into the battery holder and slide into place. Next, install the battery hold-down strap and ensure the mounting holes align. Then, install the two screws and torque to specification. Next, install the positive battery cable first to prevent arcing and torque to specification. Continue by installing the negative cable and torque to specification. Now, coat both terminals with dielectric grease or petroleum jelly. Then, reinstall the positive cable protector boot. Before proceeding, verify the cables are secure and properly routed. Then, reinstall the seat by aligning the front alignment tabs and pushing down on the rear to engage the rear latch. Finally, turn the key on to verify the battery has been connected properly. When the battery is disconnected, the vehicle's clock may need to be reset. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.